What's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. So, guys, here's our account that started with $11. We traded it to $33. We took it there, then we took it to 52. And at the end, we took it to 83, which is the previous video that I uploaded yesterday, where we closed these positions with BTC. So from 83 to these are the profit that we had, because we had this gold, and the gold was closed. We didn't get a chance to close it. So now today, in order for you to know how we really trade, because we grows this account together from $11. We traded probably 4 times, if I'm not mistaken. So this time around, you can see that our account is on 377, including this $77 profit. So what we're going to do, we're going to close this gold also and start with the balance of 377. So which means is from $11 to 377, as you can see, So I hope you saw my recent video where I traded $14 with the killer to 400, right? So now this account is big. We are now going to trade GBPCAD, and we are going to make this cash. What I'm telling you is that after this overbought and price comes down, it looks like we were facing a longer downtrend, but it's not true, because this strategy doesn't work like this. It works if you see this is a 15-minute time frame. You need to immediately go to 30-minute and see what you're seeing. So which means what you're facing there is just a pullback, because our strategy is still going up. The same way you can see from here, it went up and comes back down in order for it to set a stronger support, so it can just keep on going upward, So which means our strategies are still confirming a strong uptrend, not downtrend. So what we're gonna do, guys, let's jump to 5-minute time frame and see. 5-minute time frame shows that after hitting 50 level, then it just did the pullback. Always this, if you understand market structure, you understand that this is always happening. So now what you are dealing with is this movement between this resistance and this supporter, which means we have this consolidation here. What is gonna be after this is that price is going to break up and go to its direction. So what I'm always telling you, before you trade your account, you need to calculate how much you have, how much you're going to risk, and how much you may get as a profit, and how much you may end up losing if market goes against you. So in this case, I know that price is going to go up. So before it goes up, I will just get it from down there before it's still down there, because I'm sure that it's coming down against these two levels. So it may probably stop from here and set support and go back, or it may break it a little bit just to terrorize us. Always market makers knows how to keep fears in our mind. Then when we see that going against this previous low, then we'll be panicking, saying that it's happening, that I'm getting beaten. Before it gets too late, then you close with the minus, then press set support and go back to its direction. So I know this game. Since I confirmed my entries, what I'm going to do, guys, here is to enter with the lower lot size. Let me use 0, 0.5 and see how much I start with minus. Then you will understand. So this is not that much, guys. This is not that much. I can keep this lot size and open few more positions, and then this is 6 positions. I'm going to make 8 positions, so which means once you start with minus 15 is not a big deal because it's not yet even 10% of account, so this is still stable trades. What I'm going to do is to just pause this video and wait and see what's gonna be next, because I know from these $11 to this 377 we're going to grow this account together this week. We end this week having a big balance in this account. So let's go together, because I have already given this signal my guys in the VIP, but I told them to buy on this level. There's a reason behind, because if someone have $10 account and buy the same way buying here, it won't end well. But since I have a little bit account to buy with and start minus 15 is not a big deal, but someone who has 15 cannot buy and start with minus like me. So guys, let's wait and see what is going to happen. And what I'm sure about is that I can even add more 2 positions, then it can be 10 position, in order for me to show you that I know what I'm doing. So stay with me and let's see if you analyzed well this pair, or what you were thinking by the time I said that I'm buying. What you were thinking. You will just leave your comment in the section below to tell me what were you thinking. Were you think that I was wrong, or you were think that I was right? When I say this, guys, I always have a proof of what I'm doing, or what I am saying. Always you need to understand that after confirming a trade, you need to have some uh, evidence that shows you that uh, you are doing what you are understanding. It's easy to do what you see, to trade what you see, than trading what you think will happen. So I'm saying this because before price goes up here, there was a lot of signs that shows that price is gonna go up, because where it started from, it started with a bullish piercing, which is a big and strongest candle in the industry. So where it just changed direction from, there was a bearish engulfing, which is not big deal, and then here I took this entry. This is a bullish cross, which is a bigger candlestick than bullish engulfing. So since we have bearish engulfing above there, and we have a bullish cross, which means bullish cross is a bigger candlestick and stronger than bearish engulfing. But if it could show us bearish cross also here, we could be thinking something else. So that's the reason behind. I know you understand what I'm talking about, and you can see that price have created a lot of supports here, which means that we must have a confidence in our trades. As you can see, from minus 15 now we have minus 12, which means our trades are still going well. So let me pause this video, then we come back and check what will be happening. So what's up my people, this day again, guys. So after taking our GBPCAD, we waited for it. How many hours that we spend waiting for this? Guys, whether you like it or not, Forex needs a knowledge, and you just want to force without having knowledge. You will always be there to contribute to your broker until when you will surrender and and agree to learn. So guys, you need to learn how to trade for sure. This is not a gambling way, this is not a gambling business. This is where you come to apply your skills, you know. So as you can see, I'm not gonna say a lot because I've been explaining about everything before we check these entries. And as you can see, we managed to make double our account, more than a double, from 377 to 800. So this is enough. What I will do now is to just close this. As I told you that this week this account must reach 1000 or even more. Remember, it's the same account we started with, or $11, and then we took it to 30 something. From there we took it to 52, from 52 to 83, from 83 to 219, from 219 to 377, which is where we took this entry from, and now we are standing on 800, which means tomorrow we're going to reach our target, which is 1000 this week. So that's a victory for us and my people that I've been trading with in VIP group. So my people, if we check today, we managed to make 436, which is good for us. As I told you that whenever we are trading, we are looking either the half of our balance account, or we need to double it, which means tomorrow when we be trading this account, we'll be looking for 400, and maybe with $7, you know, because this will be half of this account, or we'll be there to double this account. Then we withdraw the money from Monday. We will start with a small amount again, in order for you to understand that you can start trading with small amount and grow your account. You know, the problem is that you like to rush the things, you know, and this is not a shortcut way of making money. You need to sit down and learn how to trade and learn about each and every strategy that you come across with. As I started by telling you that these entries is gonna grow our account, probably some of you wasn't understanding this, but myself, I could see why I was telling you this, because if you will check up all of the candles that we have here, bullish cross, bullish piercing, bullish haram, and everything, and then you will understand that whatever that pushed the price up, there was this bullish piercing, which is the same thing that happened here, and this was followed by a lot of bullish cross candles, which means this was a good sign of saying, guys, we are going up, you know. And whenever we are trading, you know, you need to understand everything about supporters, how price forms supporters and forms those candles. We give you a good understanding, and also an uptrend trend line was still right after breaking this, after breaking trend line from above. So I think everyone could understand this, but then you need to have a proper knowledge, proper skill must be applied here. So my people, today I think our day has been closed with 814 from 377. So tomorrow we are going to take our count to 1000. Trust me, be there for us, be there for you, for yourself, to witness what we're going to do. So today we traded card chief in our VIP, and AUD JPY, which is all of them went well. Yesterday we traded GBP JPY and GBP USD, all of them went well. We managed to make good cash. And in a VVIP, which is a news group, is where we only trade news. Every strong news is always being traded there. Today we traded our GBP inflation letter, which is where we managed to make that cash. You saw the short video that I uploaded. If you are in a public group, you saw then the feedback. And 4:30, 2:30, yeah, it was 2:30 at South African time. We also traded jobless crime, initial jobless crime, which is where also we managed to make a lot of pips, as you saw. So tomorrow I didn't check it. I haven't checked yet, but I will check now and see if we have any news. Remember, news is only being traded in VVIP group. You know, that VVIP group is only for news. So to join that VVIP group news, you need to pay only $200, which is a lifetime. You will never pay any money again, and we'll be trading every news. We don't jump, we don't skip. So my people, enjoy your day. Jay loves you all. Let's start another day tomorrow.